You purchased an investment property. Now what? Being a real estate investor is different from being a property management expert. Managing a rental investment property can be time-consuming and frustrating. It's not easy. From marketing your property, locating a qualified tenant, tackling repairs, maintenance, lease enforcement to rent collection, and more, Inexperience can cost you valuable time and money. At Property Frameworks, you're the investor. We treat you like an investor, and we're the property management company giving you peace of mind and protection. Property Frameworks manages your property so you can turn a steady profit and grow your business. We handle everything from property marketing, lease enforcement, rent collection, maintenance, emergency repairs, vendor management, accounting, and invoicing, so you can focus on more important things. Our unique Fast Pay program also extends the full lease commission over a standard 12-month lease term. Our Fast Pay feature also transfers payments into your account within 24 hours of payment receipt, so you can access your rental income from day one. Our rent eviction assistance program includes property demand letters, collections, court costs, and appearances. These services are included as part of your monthly management fee, so you can get your property back on the market and generating income. Our vast licensed contractor network are available 24 hours to quickly evaluate the repair request to protect your investment. Plus, you can monitor all repair status updates in your online portal. We make it easy to manage repairs and maintenance. Our rental leasing experts will market your property on rental-specific websites and show your property to applicants and guide them through the screening process. Your property will be advertised digitally online on top rental websites with 3D virtual tours and HD photos. We bring your listings to life. We want you to feel confident about the tenants who occupy your property. Our application screening service is a powerful way to identify qualified and reliable tenants with consistent income and positive credit history. We strive to provide you with solid tenants that pay on time. Our goal is your advantage. We protect single-family investments every day. With over 12,000 single-family properties under management worth more than $2 billion, we support investors like you by reducing vacancy time and maximizing rental income. Experience the Property Frameworks advantage today. Complete a free rental analysis request form to get started.